Optical illusion this time around is all about lines and your lines going in opposite directions. Now you'll notice that everything is spaced out well in both directions, so I need to start off with a circle. If you'd like to trace an object to get a perfect circle, you're welcome to do so. Otherwise, you can always just freehand it, totally up to you. Now, I'm going to take a ruler so I can have really precise lines, and I'm going to have 1/2-inch notches all the way around. Okay, now you have to be careful here that you're not getting lines where you don't want. It's up to you which one you want to start with, but let's say we start vertically. You are going to skip your circle section. Okay, so you're only drawing lines in what would be, say, your background. Make sure you're lining up your ruler and make sure that your lines are nice and light in case you do need to erase later. It's always a good practice. All right, now from here, what you're gonna do is you're only drawing within the circle this time. Same deal, light lines, but only within your circle. All right, and you're not going to need those lines on the side, so you can go ahead and erase them. Okay. Now, if you wanted, you could go in and draw out every single line with pencil. I'm not going to do that though, because I think it's more effective to just go in and have really steady hands and freehand it. Now, you'll see that I did black and blue on my first example. If you'd like to do 2 different colors, you definitely can. If you want to keep it the same color, that is an option as well. Now, when you do this, and I can rotate my paper so it is the exact same direction, you are doing a line, and then you skip a space, and then another line. You want your lines to be very close together and almost the width of what your Sharpie is creating. You go all the way across. All right, once you have that, you are going to the next row. And the area where you originally colored in your first section, you are doing the opposite. So where there is white, you are coloring or drawing a black line. Again, make sure you have very steady hands and you're paying attention to where your lines need to be. And you'll do that all the way up. Okay, then we have it done and you are rotating 90 degrees and you're going to do the exact same thing. If you'd like to switch colors like I did, you definitely can, but you don't have to. If you'd like to do it all in black and white, that of course is an option. You're rotating 90 degrees and doing the exact same thing once more. If you'd like to start in the middle, you can. If you want to start at the top, it is entirely up to you. Just make sure as you're working, you're being very, very precise with your lines. If you need to go slowly, that's okay. Just make sure By the time you finish, you are going to be happy with the final product. Good luck.